In order to set a custom URL for YouTube channel, to just select any name you want for your YouTube channel, and or even to check if you're eligible for a custom URL. So you must have the following. First, you must have a banner, just like any photo, just put it as a banner. You must have a channel icon similar to this one. You must have more than 100 subscribers, so you have 3,000, and you must have, or your channel must be older than 30 days. So mine is it's older than like 5 years now. So all you have to do, you click on customize channel, and you wait for it to open. My internet is a little bit slow. So now it opened, so you go to the basic information, and here you set a custom URL for your channel. So I just want to get rid of this gibberish, so you click on, and it appears as your channel name, but now this would be like the URL as website address for it. Okay, so you click and you say, like, we clicked on it, and you say publish. So once a custom URL is set, it can't be changed or transferred to a different channel, and it need you can do it up to 4 times per year in 12 months. So you need a minimum of a couple of months for it to get it changed. So we do confirm and change published. So we go to the channel, and it takes a little bit of time to appear here. Okay, it takes a little bit of time. So now I'm gonna paste the new name here, and as you could see here on top, you just paste a name and it goes directly to your channel, as you would see here. Okay, so if you have any question, please do ask.